In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager tracking for your WooCommerce store. We're going to walk through the full setup process so you can track key e-commerce activity on your WordPress website, from product views all the way through to completed purchases. The goal here is to make sure your store is sending clean, useful data into Google Analytics so you can better understand customer behavior and measure performance accurately. To begin, create a new Google Analytics 4 property for your store. This is where your website data will be collected and organized. As you set it up, make sure you choose the correct website details and time zone, since that helps keep your reports accurate from the start. Next, create a Google Tag Manager account and container. Tag Manager acts like the control center for your tracking setup. Instead of placing multiple tracking codes directly into WordPress, you'll manage them in one place, which makes future updates much easier. Once that's ready, install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. This step connects your site to the Tag Manager container so it can load the tags you configure. Depending on your setup, this can be done through your theme, a plugin, or a code insertion tool. Just make sure the container is installed on your site properly before moving forward. After that, add your GA4 configuration or Google tag inside Tag Manager. This is the tag that sends page and event data to your analytics property. Double check that the measurement ID is entered correctly because even a small mistake here can prevent data from flowing. Now configure WooCommerce e-commerce event tracking. This is the part that allows your store actions to be captured in a structured way. You want to make sure important shopping behavior is included, especially product views, add to cart actions, checkout steps, and completed purchases. Once the tracking is configured, preview the Tag Manager container. Preview mode is extremely helpful because it lets you test your setup before publishing anything live. It gives you a chance to catch missing tags or misfiring events early. Then perform test actions on your WooCommerce store. Visit products, add items to the cart, begin checkout, and go through the purchase flow. As you do this, check GA4 debug view to confirm that the events are being received. This is where you can verify that the right actions are appearing in analytics in real time. When everything looks correct, publish the Google Tag Manager container. That makes your tracking live for all visitors. Finally, complete a test purchase and verify the e-commerce data. This last check helps confirm that revenue, transaction details, and purchase events are being recorded properly, so you can trust the data your store is collecting going forward.